Hi there. Today, we'll show you how to turn your Kahoot courses into team-based missions and assign them to participants. First, check if you're in the correct workspace. Then, find the course you want to assign. When you're ready, click the Assign button. The assignment window will appear. Under Choose Assignment Mode, select Mission instead of Classic. Pick a start and end date for your assignment. If you see the option, you can also turn off the assignment date. Then, adjust any extra settings, like player identifier or visibility, and click Continue. Keep in mind, some assignment options depend on your subscription type. Here, you choose how many teams will compete in the mission. Use the team controls to set the number of teams. You need at least 2 teams to start the mission. Rename the teams if needed, then move to the next step to share the mission with everyone. When you're ready, click Create Assignment. Once you create the assignment, the Share Assignment with Participants window pops up. You can invite people in 2 main ways. Click Assign and invite group of participants, or send invites by email. Everyone gets an email letting them know the mission is live. You can also copy the URL or download a QR code to share in a chat, on web pages, slides, or during live sessions. You can add more participants. Head to the Reports tab, open Missions, find the course you assigned, and click Add Participants. Or you can head to the course details page and look for the assigned course in your recent sessions. From there, you can check results, assign it to participants, and change other settings. Thanks for watching. Remember to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting.